Hello friends, this is Engineer Icon sir. You are most welcome in my YouTube channel Mathmania, a boon for all students. Friends, some of my viewers commented in my comment box to make a video in English language. Then friends, now I am here with you and this is my first videos in English language. The topic of today is how to find the square root in just 5 seconds. Okay friends, before starting the video, I kindly request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Okay friends, let's start. In order to find the square root, first of all, we must know the square of number 1 to 10. I know every student knew the square of 1 to 10, but I have just written that. Okay, here is the square of 1 to 10. Suppose we have to find the square root of 4096. Then what you have to do? You have to write this number as this and make a pair it from your right side. Then you find 96. The last digit is 6. Then you have to watch which the square of which number gives the last digit 6. Then you find the square of 4 and 6 give the last digit 6. Therefore, the possibility of last digit may be 4 or 6. Okay. And now we have the number 40, and in which number the 40 lies in between. Then we find 40 lies in between a square of 6 and a square of 7. Okay, then you have to multiply 6 and 7 and you get 42. And now you have to see this is 40 and this is 42, and we find this number is smaller than this. Then you have to take the smaller number as your last digit. Okay, therefore we can say that 4096, the square root of 4096 is the first digit always with the smaller number 64. Okay friends, I think that is clear. If there is any confusion, then let us consider one more example. Suppose friends, you have to find the square root of 2209. Okay, now you have to write this number as this. Now make a pair from your right side. Then you get 09. The possibility of a square of 9 is 3 or 7. Okay friends, therefore last digit may be 3 or 7. Now what you have to do? You have to see. Now we have left number 22. Okay, now you have to see 22 lies in between the square of which number. Then you will get 4 or 5, because the square of 4 is 16 and the square of 5 is 25. Therefore this number lies in between 4 and 5. Now multiply these two numbers, you will get 22. Now this 22 is more than 20. Therefore you have to write the larger number as your last digit. Okay, first digit always be the smaller number. Therefore we can say that the square root of 2209 is 4, a smaller number, and this number is larger than this number. Therefore you have to take 7. Therefore square root of 2209 is 47. Okay friends, I think this is clear. It is so simple, and I am sure you will save your time in your competitive examination with the help of this trick. Okay friends, I am taking another example in which the first two number and the multiplied number will be same. Then what will you have to do? So I am taking this another number 6. Suppose you have to find the square root of 676. Then you have to write this number as this. The last digit is 6. Therefore it will be the square of 4 or a square of 6. It means the last digit may be 4 or 6. Now we have number 6 and 6, and in which number the 6 lies in between, then we find 2 and 2 or 3. Then you have to multiply 2 and 3 and you will get 6. Here is some confusion. Our multiplied number is 6 and the number left is also 6. Here both numbers are equal. Then what will you have to do? Friends, you have not need to worry. You have to, in such a case, if these two numbers will be equal, then you have to take the larger number as your last digit. Okay, the first digit always will be the smaller number. Therefore we can say that the square root of 676 is 2, and you have to take the larger number here, 626. The square root of 676 is 2626. Okay friends, I think this video is clear, and if you have any confusion, then you can comment me in my comment box. Okay, so friends, at last I kindly request you, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Okay friends, so kindly share, like and comment. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.